up your t-shirt folding game with these 2 neat tricks. Learn how to fold a t-shirt in 3 seconds and how to organise your t-shirts like a boss. I used to rummage around my drawer looking for my favourite t-shirt and making a complete mess in the process. But the KonMari way of folding and organising means you can stand your t-shirts vertically. And this means you can always see what you have when you pull out your drawer, and you won't end up wearing the same outfit every day. Plus, you won't make a mess when you take one out. Here's how to do it. Lay your t-shirt face down on a flat surface. Fold both sides in as far as the neckline, folding the arms back on themselves to make a long, neat rectangle. Fold it almost in half, leaving a small gap at the bottom. Then fold in thirds, so you have a small rectangle that can stand up by itself. You can now store all your t-shirts in a beautiful, neat row. Another t-shirt hack I love is the pinch method. This enables you to fold your t-shirt in just 3 seconds. Really, I'm not kidding. Watch. Don't worry, here's a step-by-step. Lay your t-shirt flat on a surface, face up. Imagine a line going straight down the shirt, between the collar and the shoulder. Pinch the top of that line with your right hand and the middle point with your left hand. Then, holding that fabric, move your right hand across and pinch the fabric at the bottom of the line as well. Keeping hold of that fabric, uncross your hands, bringing your left hand back out to the side. Now use the surface to fold the t-shirt back on itself to give you the perfect fold. Thanks for watching this household hack. Click the link on screen to sign up to our free newsletter. It's packed with money-saving tips and won't cost a penny. Check out the video below to find out the best way to put on a duvet cover, and for more video content like this, hit subscribe.